Mostly more beginners will use the boosting option in the Facebook page to reach their Facebook post to new people. Guys, it is very better to create one ad from the Facebook ads manager to reach the new people than the boosting the post itself. Okay, you have to create one ad and the ads manager with your objective. In the Facebook ads manager, we can select the objective, like if you want the traffic, or if you want the leads, if you want the messages to WhatsApp, if you want the messages to your Facebook page or Instagram profile, like that. If you have a different objectives in the Facebook ads manager, but the coming to the boosting option, you will whatever amount you put and whatever audience you put, so that particular post will be reached to the corresponding audience. So there is no exact goal like leads, traffic and messages, like that. There is no specific objective with the boosting option. So you have to use the Facebook ads manager, and you have to create one ad with corresponding to your objective in the Facebook ads manager itself. Till now, if you used the boosting option in the Facebook page, it's okay. At least from now onwards, use the Facebook ads manager to reach your post to the new people. If you use the boosting, most of the budget will be consumed, and you didn't get the specific results in the boosting option. So in the Facebook ads manager, there is the option to create more than ad sets and create more ads. And in that, if you enable the campaign budget optimization, so then there is a one real game will happen, like your budget will be consumed throughout the ads and throughout the ad sets optimized in version. Okay, Facebook will optimize your budget throughout ad sets and ads to bring the best results from your budget itself. So highly recommend you to use the Facebook ads manager to set up the ads. I highly recommend you to use the Facebook ads manager to promote your business using the Facebook ads. Okay, I hope this small video will bring some value on YouTube. If you still not subscribe to the channel, consider to subscribe. Okay guys, thank you.